Hey everybody, it's Mike here from Master Pro in Bend. I just wanted to reach out because if you've looked outside, the air is thick. It smells like a campfire outside and it's starting to come inside. I know our shop is smelling like smoke right now. And so I was talking to a friend in Missoula who also does window cleaning, and he has a solution in his home that he uses to get that smoke smell out and keep that headache and that dry throat from really getting to you. And that's what we wanted to show you here. Just something super simple, a little helpful tip that anybody can do. We start with one of these. It's a furnace filter. It's a 20 by 20 by 1 inch furnace filter, and it does HEPA filtration, so it pulls out all of the particulates from the air as it passes through. So you're going to take one of these filters and then one of these little box fans, those cheap ones that you get to keep cool in the summertime, and we're going to mount this filter to the back of the box fan. And so this is the brand that you can pick up at Home Depot. There's a lot of other stores. Lowe's carries them. You can get them on Amazon. I checked locally. Lowe's is actually sold out right now, but there's a huge stock at Home Depot if you're able to get out safely and run around. And if you guys are at any risk of wildfire, please, don't worry about the air. If you have to evacuate, obviously that's what we want to make sure. We just want to make sure you're safe. So please have your go bags ready just in case. I know we've all got our families prepared just if that's what happens. So I'm going to open this up and get this all set up. Now we've got our fan out of the box. We're just going to pull it forward here, and the air comes out this side, gets sucked in this side. So we're going to take this filter, and you'll see right here, hopefully this shows up on camera, it has an airflow direction. So the air needs to come from this side and out this side. So we're just going to make sure that this side where the arrow points is up against the back of the fan. And you can see how it totally covers the fan. And then we're just going to plug it in. Alright, we're going to turn it on max. And this filter actually gets sucked up against the fan, so it holds itself in place. You don't have to worry about creating a special mount for it. And now what's going to happen is the air from your house will get pulled in, sucked through this filter, the smoke particles will get trapped, and you get fresh air on the other side. Super simple. This whole setup I think ran us about $35, maybe a little less. And we've got one running in the center of our house. We put it up high with the idea that it would circulate air better through the house. That way there's no furniture to block the airflow. But you can put it just in a central location. That's ideal. And we slept great last night. We do have a AC unit with a HEPA filtration system in that. And that's another thing. If you haven't changed that filter recently and it's time, get one of those HEPA filters and put it in your AC system, and that way all the outside air that your HVAC system is pulling into your home will also be filtering out those smoke particles. So you can actually see this is the back side of that fan that we have in our house, and after 12 hours there's a big circle of just brown smoke particles that have already collected where they've been pulled through the fan. So it's nice to see that it's working, but really surprising to us how much is actually even getting through our AC system into our house and that this fan is still taking out. So just a little helpful hint or helpful tip. I will put links for Home Depot, Lowe's, and Amazon for similar products so that if you can't get out of the house, you can buy them online, or you can actually set up for a curbside pickup at any of our local hardware stores that sell these products. Anyway, just a little helpful tip from Master Pro, and we hope to be seeing everybody soon when there's not ash falling out of the sky and we can't see through the haze even in the daytime. All right, everybody, take care, be safe.